So guys, I'm gonna be doing a bird video, watching video. So guys, a bird watching video. So guys, I'm really excited about this because guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys birds. So guys, I forgot to tell you, man. I mean, I did tell you that we're gonna be going near bird food for the birds, guys. But guys, I didn't show you, guys. I forgot to do the other video the other day, guys. I did do a video game video, which is good, guys. Because I think you guys wanted to probably see the bird food more than me doing a video game video, guys. Guys, cardinals. So guys, we got some couple of woodpeckers outside, guys, and it's pretty cool, guys. I mean, there is some mockingbirds in Pennsylvania. I don't know why we never get those, or the song sparrow. They live in Pennsylvania. Guys, I don't even understand. Guys, I think I heard the gray catbird. Yeah, guys. Yeah, it makes that little cute noise. Look, it doesn't chirp, guys. Because it makes, goose? What was that? Oh, goose, I think that might have been. Yeah, that was the gray catbird. Yeah, I heard that gray catbirds sometimes mimic animals, goose. Goose, yeah, because I don't know why. Didn't know they were the same family of the northern mockingbird. Because yeah. Because we haven't got a gray catbird. Gray catbird birds are like pretty much really deep in the forest in Pennsylvania. So because I'm kind of surprised. Because that was the brown-headed cowbird. It's the brown-headed cowbird. Because yeah, those are not really rare. They're common just like the starlings. They're about the same size as the starlings too. It's good, yeah. Because I was going to say that the gray catbirds are actually pretty much like forest birds and forest animals in Pennsylvania, goose. It's good, yeah. It probably doesn't surprise you if I say that I barely see them in our bird feeder, goose. It's been a really long time since I've seen them in our bird feeder. I've seen them in our backyard before though. Because yeah, not only during the forest, they can't be around here. Because yeah. There's so many crazy birds. I think they're the bluebird. Look. You guys definitely saw that. It's a little house finch. It's good. Well, okay, let it run. It's goose. Birds in the air. When I get my car, when I get the car, I get out of the hanging on the rail. It's like a bird's goes. Little go. Look at that robin. They're so cute. See that goose? Really cute goose. Goose. Robin Good. Oh, a cute goose. The chubby robin. No offense, goose. That was a pretty cute one, goose. Goose. What a friend! Good, 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 good. Yeah. I was trying to unwhistle a cardinal's how to chirp. There's a mourning dove on a bird feeder. So cool. Look at that. Carolina Wren. I mean, it's not at her bird feeder, but it's underneath her bird feeder. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Don't tell me it's raining right now. Oh, guys. That was a big crow goose. That was a massive goose. Look at that goose. That's a massive goose. That's such a cute crow goose. I'm trying to mimic the crow to get his attention goose from me. This might sound like a goose. Hey crow, what's up, buddy? They have really big wings. As a matter of fact, goose. Look at that goose. Because the crow's still there. Is it? Oh, goose. The water's gone high, goose. 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 Look at that crow, goose. Oh. Pretty cool crow goose. As a matter of fact, I hear the Carolina Wren. Yeah, I hear that bird though. As a matter of fact, that's probably a backyard bird. I say in the middle, forest in the back. Don't tell me it flew away. It didn't. I didn't. Listen. Look at the crow. Oh. 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 Because there's a Carolina wren and a house wren. There's Pennsylvania goose. There might be more kinds of wrens. Like the winter wren. I don't know. Maybe that might be Pennsylvania because I have no clue. I wonder where the crow went. Don't tell me it's still went. Seriously. What? Oh, it didn't. It's there. Ah. 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 Let's see, Buzz Goose.